Hi, thanks for joining me today. If you want to take advantage of any of the freebies or discounts that I found for you, click one of the links in the description. Thanks for the support. Now let's get started. Today we're going to show you one of our staples that we love to eat while we're on keto that is filling and gives you tons and tons of great fat. Take fajita chicken, chop it in small pieces, throw on some bacon on top, top it with some cheese, throw it in the microwave for 1 minute, throw some sour cream on top, top it with half an avocado, and devour.